Do you want to separate the vocals from the background music? With this AI tool, you can do this for free. Every 24 hours, you can use up to 11 minutes to separate vocals from music. Just import your MP3 file, and the tool separates the vocals from the music automatically.
Let's check it out.
What is that doing here?
What is it?
That's the Sandai Kitetsu.
Cool name.
You don't want that sword. It's cursed. The Sandai Kitetsu is third in a lineage of magnificent but ill-fated swords. Even renowned swordsmen who wield a Kitetsu.
How about we test what's stronger? My will or the sword's curse? If I win, sell it to me.
What are you going to...
Now click Download All, and you get both files, vocal and instrumental.